On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story problem in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps now, all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see. And after that, scroll like this until you find Instagram app and click on it. When you click on Instagram app now, it will take you into this page. This is the app informations and settings. So all what you want to do is click on notifications management. Make sure that notifications are enabled. Go back, click on force stop, and then click on data usage right here. Scroll and make sure that all these options are enabled from the mobile data into the roaming data. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data, and click on delete. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial.